Hi friends, you need to fill those boxes with the right number such that calculations make sense. And your time starts now. Okay, so let's look into the answer now. I know how to solve this by two approaches. One is trial and error method, the other one is a mathematical method. If you know any other approach, please do mention that in the comment section so that I can learn that from you. Okay, first let's see the trial and error approach. So in this, let's see, do we have any clue? If we look at this box, if you subtract this minus this, you will get 10. So definitely we should have a number which is greater than 10 in this box. So let's start with 11. If we fill 11, we'll have 1 here. If it is 1, we'll have 15 here and minus 1 here. If you add minus 1 and 11, you won't get 15. So this is not the right set. Okay, next let's try with 12. If you try with 12, you will get 2, 14 and 1. Now if you add 1 and 12, you get 13 and not 15. So this is not the set. Okay, let's try with 13. If you put 13 here, you will have 3 and you will have 13 here, you will have 1. If you add 1 and 13, you will get 14, not 15. So this is not the right set. Next, let's try with 14. You will have 4 here and 12 here and 2 here. So if you add 2 and 14, you will get 16, not 15. So this is not the right set. Earlier, when we tried with 13, we got 14 here, correct? Now when we tried with 14, we got 16. Now if we try any number above 14, definitely that number will be greater than 15. So the answer lies somewhere between 13 and 14. So let's try 13.5. 13.5. You will have 3.5 and 12.5 and 1.5. And if you add 1.5 and 13.5, you get 15. And this is the answer. This is the trial and error approach. And next, let's see the mathematical approach. Now, let's name the boxes as A, B, C and D. With that, let's form the equation. We know A plus B is equal to 14, A plus C is 15 and B plus D is 16, C minus D is 10. Now, let's add all those equations. When you add all those equations, you have plus D and minus D. Those will get cancelled and you will get 2A plus 2B plus 2C is equal to 55. And if you simplify that, you will get A plus B plus C is equal to 27.5. Next, we know A plus B is equal to 14. So, if we have to find the value of C, C is equal to 27.5 minus A plus B. Correct? So, C is equal to 27.5 minus 14. So, C equal to 13.5. So, you can replace C by 13.5. Once you find out this one number in the box, you can fill the rest of numbers automatically. Because if you know this is 13.5, this will be 3.5. And this is 12.5. And this is 1.5. Or if you don't want to automatically fill them and if you want to solve each of those mathematically, you can do that very well. Now we know A plus C is equal to 15. So B is equal to 27.5 minus A plus C. So B is equal to 27.5 minus 15. So B equal to 12.5. B equal to 12.5 and we got that right. Next, if you add these two equations, you will get B plus C is equal to 26. Now, the value of A is equal to 27.5 minus B plus C. So, A is equal to 27.5 minus 26. So, A is equal to 1.5. A is equal to 1.5. We got that right. Next, how to solve D? We know b plus d is equal to 16. So d equal to 16 minus d. So d equal to 16 minus 12.5. So d is equal to 3.5. And we got that right. So this is how you can solve the equations mathematically. And if you know any other approach, please do mention that in the comments so that I can learn that from you. If you like this video, please share this to your friends. If you have a puzzle or a brain teaser that you don't know what the answer is or you don't know how to solve, feel free to email that to me to this email ID. I will try to solve. If I am able to solve, definitely I will make a video and I will post it in my page. Thank you, and thank you for watching.